Ndị Igbo niile na-ege m ntị n'elu ụwa niile, ana m ekele unu. Aha m bụ Emeka Esiri. O nwere ozi dị mkpa m chọrọ ịgbasa taa. Biko aga m arịọ unu sị n'ihi mkpa ozi a dị, ọ ga-amasị m izi ozi a site n'asụsụ Bekee. Ọwụ na m anaghị asụ Igbo ma ọ anụ Igbo ma ọ ede Igbo. Ana m asụ Igbo ọfụma na-edekwenye ọfụma. Kama n'ihi mkpa ozi a dị, achọrọ m ka ụwa niile ma ndị na-anụ Igbo na ndị na-anaghị anụ Igbo ka ha ghọta ihe m na-ekwu. Tụmadị ndị Igbo ndị bi n'obodo dị iche iche na-anaghị anụchasị Igbo. Ụfọdụ ha ọkwanụ ndị gọnarịrị onwe ha sị ha bụkwa ha ndị Igbo, mana ha ma ha bụ ndị Igbo, nna ha bụ ndị Igbo, nne ha bụ ndị Igbo, ma elemanya ha bi obodo dị iche iche, ndị agbata obi anyị. Ụfọdụ ha achọrọ m ịsụ asụsụ a na Bekee. Tụmadị ndị Igbo ndị ere ndị nọ n'obodo oyibo dị iche iche, ụfọdụ ha amatala na ha bụ ndị Igbo, ụfọdụ alọtakwala ndị nna nna ha agbara ha dịka ohu mgbe a na-eme slave trade. Ụfọdụ ha ndị Amerịka, ndị Europe, ndị dị iche iche ha chọpụtala na ha bụ ndị Igbo, ha alọtakwala na ụfọdụ abịakwala n'ala Igbo mekwe mmemme eji wegharịa ka nabata ha dịka ndị Igbo, nyekwana ha aha ndị Igbo. Achọrọ m ka ndị niile ndị Igbo ọbụla nọ nga ọbụla ha nọ n'elu ụwa ka ha n'ihe m na-ekwu. Biko nagidenu m ka m sụọ Bekee. Aga m na-atụnyekwe asụsụ Igbo. M na-asụ Bekee, enwekwa nke tinye n'asụsụ Igbo. Daalụnụ. Having said that, I want to talk about the project we have at hand, and that is to restore peace and dignity of the Igbo nation. You have seen what has happened now. The struggle for self-determination we started went out of hand. Some people decided to be overzealous and introduced a kind of violence in the system, and now Ali Igbo has been destroyed. Now I'm talking about Ali Igbo, about Igbo nation itself. I'm not talking about the entire Biafra land, because if you talk about entire Biafra land, that affects other places like South and some parts of Middle Belt and some Southwest. But in this project we have now, we want to restore peace to the Igbo nation, the Igbo land. I mean, because if you look at it now, they sit at home, which was introduced by some overzealous Biafra activists, has crippled the Southeast. There is peace in Rivers State, peace in Bayelsa, peace in Akwa Ibom or Cross River, and even Delta State. There's peace in those areas. But the 5 core Igbo states, the Abia State, Ebonyi State, Enugu State, Imo State, and Anambra State, the 5 Igbo states are crippled. People have run away because nobody is safe again. So now I have come with my team, Mobbing. We are embarking on a movement to stop all killings in Igbo land. The sit at home on Mondays must stop. So we are giving the order that the sit at home on Mondays must stop immediately. And all the killings in Ali Igbo must stop immediately. And all the unknown government or whatever they are called must stop immediately. We cannot destroy Igbo land. We cannot. That is our land. Why should we destroy Igbo land? Rather, we should team up and hold hands together to ward off enemies that are destroying Igbo land. Why should we be killing our own people, killing ourselves? You know, I heard the statement one of the Biafran leaders who made during his court session. He told his members that he wants peace, and he said, we cannot be killing the same people we are trying to protect. You see, he said he doesn't want anarchy anymore. Probably before he told them to do so, but now he said he wants peace, and specifically said you cannot be killing the same people you are trying to defend. That is wrong. How can you be killing your own people? You call us saboteurs and you begin to kill us. You know why? Because we disagree with you on methodology. We on method. That's it. Because of the methodology, we don't agree with you in your method. Therefore, you call us saboteur and kill us. That is wrong. You can see that you have now given an opportunity to enemies of Igbo land to encroach in Igbo land and begin to kill every person. You don't know who is who anymore. Every person now claims to be Biafran activists. They are criminals, but they have not joined because you get the loophole by introducing violence into the system. Now we want that violence to stop. No more sit at home on Mondays. No more sit at home. continue to shout it, no more sit at home. And we want all community leaders and all youths in all communities to begin now to shout it, no more sit at home on Mondays. Let there be peace. Every person go your normal business. Henceforth, there should be no more sit at home, no more killing. Any person who kills must be killed. No more killing. If you catch them, those people that say they are unknown gunmen or whatever they are, all the community youths, catch them. Any person that is a killer, you must kill any killer. Whoever kills must be killed. Don't allow it to happen anymore. There is no more sit at home, no more unknown gunmen. There must be peace in Igbo land, so that our people can return home. They have all run away. They are afraid to come back to Igbo land. Let there be peace in Igbo land, so that our people can come home, so that the economy of Igbo land will now start booming again. Thank you for listening to me. Please spread this message, spread it, and spread it. Let it go viral all over the world where Igbo people dwell. Let there be peace and tranquility in Igbo land. Thank you for listening to me. I'll come again next time to bring more messages. God bless you.